In the heart of the decaying city, the asylum stood, its dark facade beckoning the daring souls towards its secrets. The urban explorer named Kevin, fueled by curiosity and adrenaline, stood before the array of ominous doors, his team by his side. With a collective breath held, the group pushed open the first door, unknowingly stepping into a realm of chilling echoes and unseen horrors. Shadows danced malevolently as the group hastened through the second door, the air thick with the stench of forgotten nightmares. Ghostly figures materialized within the third room, their silent pleas echoing in the team's ears as they pressed forward, hearts racing. In the mirror maze of the fourth chamber, distorted reflections mocked the team's sanity, their minds teetering on the edge of terror. The fifth door unleashed a writhing mass of darkness, tendrils reaching towards the group like malevolent fingers, testing their resolve. An oppressive silence greeted the team at the sixth door, a heavy weight settling on their shoulders like a shroud of impending doom. Pitch-black darkness enveloped the team, their voices swallowed by the void, whispers slithering around them like phantoms of the past. With trembling hands, the sole survivor emerged through the narrow passage, a chilling realization settling in his bones as he gazed back at the asylum. A creeping dread seeped into the team as the door groaned open anew, a sliver of light piercing the oppressive darkness, signaling the asylum's insidious hold. Through the shattered facade, the team escaped, relief mingling with a lingering dread etched in their features, the asylum's horrors forever imprinted on their souls.